If you are getting the error app not installed as app is not compatible with your phone on your iPhone, it usually means the app you are trying to install does not meet the requirements of your iPhone's model or iOS version. So here is how to fix it step by step. First of all you have to do is go to the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the settings app, simply tap on the general option available there. Inside general, tap on the about. Inside about, tap on the iOS version. Then go to the App Store, find the app and check the minimum iOS version it needs. Or else you can also tap on the software update and update your iPhone to the latest iOS version if available. Some apps require hardware features that are only available in newer iPhone models. So, unfortunately, if your iPhone is too old, the only option may be to use an alternative app or upgrade your device. So, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.